In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Facebook Web. Whether you're planning to host a live Q&A, showcase a new product, or simply connect with your audience in real time, going live on Facebook is a fantastic way to engage. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, you'll want to head over to your Facebook homepage. This is your launching pad for going live, and you'll probably recognize it as the place where you typically scroll through your newsfeed. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll usually find the status update box. Right next to it, look for a small red camera icon. This icon is your entryway to starting a live video. Give that icon a click. Once you click the red camera icon, you'll be taken to the Facebook Live Producer page. This is where you can set up your live stream before going live. Here, you have the opportunity to add a catchy title for your live session, describe what your stream will be about, and even tag friends or choose your audience. It's a good idea to take a few moments to think about these details as they can help attract more viewers to your stream. Now, if your Facebook account is relatively new, there's an important thing to note. Facebook has a policy that requires new accounts to be at least 60 days old before they can go live. This is a security measure to help prevent misuse of the live feature. So, if you find that you're unable to go live, check the age of your account and mark your calendar for when it will reach that 60-day milestone. After you've set up your live video and confirmed that your account is eligible, you're almost ready to start broadcasting. Before hitting that Go Live button, double-check your camera and microphone settings to ensure everything is working properly. It's also a great idea to test your internet connection for stability, as a smooth streaming experience hinges on a strong connection. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to go live on Facebook Web. Remember, your live video is a unique opportunity to interact with your audience in real time, so make sure to engage with comments and questions as they come in. Enjoy your live streaming experience and make the most of this dynamic way to connect with your community. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.